Hello everyone and welcome to our special podcast episode Powering the Future, the Rise of Solar and Wind Technology. I'm Vanes Fernanda, your moderator today. Joining my friend are Berti as a solar PV, Yahya as wind turbine, Indra as inverter and storage, Faik grid integration, and Andrew the future of trend and career. Today we're going deeper not just the basic but real case, number, challenge, and career tips. Ready? Let's start with a short introduction. Say hello everyone.
Hi.
And introduce ourselves.
Hi, I am Ferdi. Excited to share insight about PV system.
So, my name is Marco Yaya. With one as convey.
Hello, my name is Rafalia. I will focus on solar and wind energy.
Hello, I am Faik and I will talk about grid synchronization and protection.
Hello, I am Indra and I will talk with future plan and career of work.
Okay, let's start about with the sun. Daddy, please explain from the what is PV and how does it work in a simple but complex terms, please.
Solar panel or photovoltaic module convert sunlight into electric through the photovoltaic effect. In short, solar cells are made from semiconductor, usually silicon. When photons from sunlight into the cell, electrons are released and start moving to this movement produce direct current, electric. Panels are connected in the module and module into array to generate high power. Series versus parallel configuration. Series connection increase voltage, parallel connection increase current. The design must match inverter rating and cable limit. Panel type monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and the film.
Can you give a simple example about how many panels a typical house needs?
For example, a house consumption around 3,000 kWh per year may need 3 until 4 kWp PV system or 8 until 12 panel of 350,000 watt. Depending on location and tilt. Actual protection depend on solar irradiation, insolation, angle, and shading.
How do shading and temperature affect performance?
Shading, even partial shading on one panel can significantly reduce output, especially because cells are often connected in series. Bypass diode help but avoid set in critical. High temperature reduce voltage, strictly lowering output. Manufacturer provide temperature coefficient to estimate this effect. In reparation, 1 kWp of PV can generate roughly 4 until 5 kWh per day under good condition but users estimate.
Great, now let's move on the wind energy. Yahya, please explain the working principle of wind turbine and the key performance factor.
Wind turbine works by converting energy into electrical engineering, which the brake and the variant brake and generator to produce. The bulk of an wind turbine is maintained inputs by means that brake speed and system efficiency drives the wind flow. The motor and the generator press the pipes from coupling with stable wind are important. all to generator electrical at wheel speed of over 3 seconds, but minimum power at 70 engine comes to at within top stand 1
How do we choose a side-by-side accurate going speed?
Systems that always contain weight speed figure weight stand the electrical weight gap and average ever so community is intervene with carbon of 700 kW to supply electrical and voltage of diesel generator.
Now let's talk about how everything connects to home and the grid.
Solar panel and light system produce DC electric from every home, and the grid RC electric, the board and several important components. Inverter change DC AC on grid inverter work together with the PLN and off-grid inverter supply electric without the grid, and hybrid inverter can work the grid and batteries. Next, MPPT check controller help solar panel produce maximum power. Batteries storage energy with acid batteries better but lithium ion LFP. Batteries last longer and are safer. Battery management system or BMS protect the battery from damage. Energy management system EMS control when to change charger or use the battery and set load priority.
And what about efficiency and loss?
Energy losses happen in inverter are about efficiency, and batteries efficiency. The cable size and protection are very important.
Example scenario rooftop solar with batteries.
A typical setup 3000 watt panel, TV plus hybrid inverter 5000 watt horse battery. During the day, picking supplies load and change the battery. At night, the battery power load generated power comes from the grid. EMS can minimize electricity caused by charging during off-peak stress.
Okay, let's move to the next section. 5, please explain synchronization, protection, and grid challenge, please.
Okay, grid integration requires synchronization of frequency, 15 or 16 Hz voltage, and fast modern smart inverter can 1. Provide reactive power for voltage control, 2. Deliver this inertia mimicking conventional generator during disturbance, 3. Perform right without staying connected during short grid faults. Protection and stability topics. 1. Anti-islanding system must disconnect when the grid is down to protect line works. 2. Protection coordination. Protection must alike across home, feeder, and substation levels. Frequency and voltage control, height, penetration or distribution. Generation increases complexity.
So inverter technology and communication are critical.
Exactly, real-time communication, central or decentralized control and compliance with IAA or IIC standards ensure safe integration.
Let's compare renewable with fossil fuels and discuss real-world application. And don't start us off.
Okay, I will explain it in a simple way. First, about pollution. Solar and wind energy are clean. They do not produce smoke or carbon dioxide when used. Fossil fuel, like coal and diesel, cause air pollution. Second, about cost. Today, solar and wind energy are much cheaper than before. In many places, they are cheaper than diesel power plants. 3. About availability. Solar and wind depend on weather. The sun does not shine at night and wind is not always strong. Because of this, battery and backup system are needed. 4. About usage. Solar panels are easy to install. They can be used on house, rooftop, school, and factories. Wind power is suitable for open areas with strong wind. In daily life, we can see example like solar panel on school building, wind farm supplying electrical to cities, small island using solar panel and battery is of diesel, community wind project that help local residents. So renewable energy is cleaner, cheaper, and useful for many places.
Ideal for urban and commercial rooftop.
The form of expression with storm morphics.
And now, what are the main trends in demand scale?
In the future, renewable energy will continue to grow. First, smart inverter. This device help control electrical and keep the grid stable. Second, microgrids. This is a smart power system that can work independently, for example, on island or remote areas. 3. Energy storage. Batteries are becoming more advanced and last longer. 4. Digitality technology. Computer and software help predict energy production and manage power better. Because of this, many job opportunities are available such as solar and wind technicians, electrical engineering, system designers, project managers. Besides, technical skills, communication, teamwork, and safety are also important.
Let's discuss two short case study. An island, microgrid, and a school rooftop system.
A small island use diesel generator algae and new system use 200 watt panel, solar panel for battery 500 and diesel as the backup. Diesel as triggered by 70 tons became lower and pollution was reduced.
School rooftop. A school installs 30 kW PV supply 30 until 40 of electric demand. Education benefit include health and renewable energy learning. Impact reduce bill and strong STEM programs.
Okay, Thank you for this comprehensive discussion. In summary, solar and wind are key to the energy transition, support by integration, storage, and strong policy. Thanks to Ferdi, Yahya, Indra, Faik, and Ebro. Final tip for listener: start small, learn electrical basic, and engage with energy communities.
Thank you. Next time.